A lot of disadvantages hold us responsible for the less number of Indian mobile brands, like democracy, where labor acts cannot be compromised, expensive labors where rural places are not made use of, brand owners expecting a larger margin, cheap labor, and good export policies from other countries. Despite the above challenges, Indian companies have in turn challenged the other countries with their comeback. After Micromax, it's now Lava that has tweeted a couple of days back like so. The game is about to change. Here's the complete tweet. The tables are turning and we are all ready to change the game. Stay tuned because you have seen nothing yet. Ab dunya dekhegi. Without any revelations, the company has built curiosity in the mind of the youth of the nation. Let us know in this video more about the plans as revealed by the others. Before the revelation, we want to let you know that we have created a video on Indian mobile brands made in India by Indians. You can watch the video here. There we have made a few things clear that there are 5 types of brands that are selling goods in India. They are brands not manufactured in India, not owned by Indians, not marketed by Indians, not assembled in India, but only sold in India. The second type, not manufactured in India, not owned by Indians, marketed and assembled in India. The third type, not manufactured in India, owned by Indians. The fourth type, manufactured and owned by Indians. Fifth type, not owned by Indians but manufactured or assembled in India. Here, the fourth category is the ideal situation for a country, and only a very few companies are working towards it in India. To reach it is not very easy given the situation as told before, but we are slowly getting there. Let us at least look at companies in category 3, try to support and change them. Hopefully, it is that time where Lava has entered the fourth category of companies and started manufacturing most of its part in this land. In addition, the company has said that it will launch 4 new phones around January 7 and that they will be priced between 5,000 and 20,000. They will have these mobiles sold both in offline and online channels in the country. Further, they have plans to launch a smart band too while not revealing the date of launch. This is clearly to compete with the other budget brands that have made their way to India from neighboring countries. This comes very much after the recently launched BU women-centric phone in India.